Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boys Holness coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you doing, John Cross?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So today, compilation again. Pretty much JLP, a shade, PNP, and some people in some area are rejoice say Peter Phillips, who is the president and the head of PNP, leave as he promised, saying that if he didn't win, he would step down and resign all together. No itching, no nothing and things. So we're gonna get right tonight. I have 1 and 2 reaction, but the rest, everything just a flow. And no one have clips to this piece, but I just couldn't know what's happening in the streets, and JLP show some shades about things. But anyway, peace, make we get right tonight now. Whoop!
This is nothing personal against Andrew Holness. This is a thing named safeguard with life. Andrew Holness, the suck your mother.
Oh!
Batman. We don't like you. You can't go and use your money, Batman, and go and believe that Bill Gates can give you money for come buy out the people. And not everybody in Jamaica have sweet tooth. So only Jamaicans can go and take buyout. Big up Babs the Great, big up Andrew Holness. No, not Andrew Holness. So people, I am not gonna sit down and watch them kill off unknown people them, and then say me go play like Usain Bolt, me go play like the police commissioner. And
What? What you talk about, Elliot Lewis? Brother, you love attention in a dog. Brother, something wrong with you. Me think me have mental illness. I mean mad. You're mad, brother. You love attention. And you'll put yourself in some serious situation and problems, brother, if it get views or if it stay controversial. There's a line you don't cross more time, brother. Remember, you're not hard to find, brother. I one phone call it take, you know, and them come for you, you know, brother, and lock you up, you know. Remember the last man that do that? What to him? L.A. Lewis. Brother, I think you need some help, brother, cause you born out the man a while ago and tell the man to S his mother, what that for? And then you big up Babsy Grange and then you big him up and say, not big him up. Brother.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As is now recognized, the results of the general elections held yesterday, September 3rd, have been very unfavorable to the People's National Party. As in all undertakings such as this, the ultimate responsibility must rest with the leader of the party. Accordingly, I consider it my duty to demit office as president of the party, and I have written to the chairman of the People's National Party to ask that the National Executive Council and the executive of the party make the necessary arrangements as soon as is practicable to elect a new leader of the party.
Why you doing, John Cross?
Inside in the constituency of Central Jenkins.
Oh man, fuck's sake. Buy up the casket them, yes. One, two, three, four.
Oh! Why you do it, John Croft?
Bitch, what?
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Alright, peeps. So you wanna see all of the video them? Hope you wanna enjoy them. As I say, it's not a long one today, but we'll keep the pot bubbling and ting. Yeah. People them are going with a bag of things. Hope you wanna enjoy it. I may have something to clear up too regarding the LA Lewis. One time I do a post peeps with LA Lewis where they are Obia man and I call Jesus name and I call demon name and ancestor name. And one lady come under my post and I go on with a bag of things, and you can go look on the previous video. Miss, you and LA Lewis is a madman, a mad woman. She has said about him a the king and we don't know him a prophet and whatever. Clearly, as I see she, you know, say a mad woman that she. Miss, you don't have no sense. Not even 25 cents, not even 50 cents, not even dollar. So here what my friend. Do yourself a favor. You see the subscribe button up there, sir? Yeah. You gotta click it. And you gotta unsubscribe. I have 24 hours to block yourself from the page. Cause my moderator, I go block you. Me I tell you that straight. Yeah. But anyway, the peeps them will rock with me. Cytopia. Big up on yourself. Happy Saturday. As me said. And enough video today. But guess what? We keep the pot bubbling. And try our best as much as possible when we get new content them to drop them a road. Also peeps, as you clearly can see, get back a new camera. You know what I mean? We buy back a second hand one. It still have 1 and 2 little problems, but I work on it for sort it out, like the memory card slot. It won't sort out. But anyway, big up to man we call Super Kev, big up to Cornelius, and big up to Tina. Hey. The peeps who helped me out and who made it possible for me to get this new camera to shoot for you guys. Appreciate the love and the support from the community. Big up yourself, Kev. Big up yourself, Tina. Big up yourself, Cornelius. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And just go and journey with the boy. Enjoy your weekend. Till Monday again. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.